Hello everyone, my name is Ormaiti and today we are going to do our first chapter, that is HTML introduction. Today we are going to see what are the HTML tags that we are using to implement our web page and see how the web page display the content that we code, and also know how to write the extensions, what are the text editors that we can write our code, and some history about the HTML. We will also see what are the websites or browsers that we can make and use to display our HTML content. So let's start our topic. First we can read what does HTML stands for. It stands for hypertext markup language, means a text which is connected with a link, and it is a markup language. So it is a standard markup language for creating web pages. Multiple web pages make a website. So this is the use of web pages. HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are represented by tags. You will come to know further that these tags are used to create an HTML document, and with the help of these different tags we can display the content of our web page or website, and we can make our content, how they look and how they represent, we will see. So let's start with a small example. This is the example of HTML document. First let us know how to write it. We have to write this code over a text editor, like we can use Notepad. You have to open the Notepad over your PC or your laptop, and then you can write this. Now let's start from the topic, starting from the code, how to write this. So let's start. First we write this in triangular brackets, exclamation mark, and we write doctype HTML. What does doctype stand for? Doctype represents the HTML document, that is document type. So it's document type HTML. After that we write the HTML tag. This is the root tag which we are using, and we should know that every document start with a root element, and these are the root elements, and these need to be closed. So there are two types of tags. Let me first define that. First is singular tag. In singular tag we can write with a single tag and we don't need to close it. And in double tag we write means we have to start it and then we have to close it. So double tag will only work when you close it with a forward slash. Here we can see double tags. So these are the examples of double tags. We will see further in other examples in ahead of our lessons what does singular tag stands for and how they work. So in this topic we are using double tags. First we use the HTML tag, which is the root element. After that we use the head tag. Now what head tag defines, let me tell that. It defines the above URL that is displayed over your website. For the sake of that we write the title. Titles means your page title, and first you need to see that these are the tags and the content between that is only displayed. These tags are not displayed. We write title, then we write the content, then we write title with a forward slash. This means this tag is complete. After that we need to complete the head tag. Head tag complete with the forward slash means this portion is over. Now we move forward to the body tag. The body tag consists of the main portion of your website and the contents that need to be displayed. What all contents we are displaying now, let's see that. H1 tag. H1 tag is for heading. Heading represents the upper main portion of your body. So H1 tag is of many types, like H1. Heading tags are of many types, like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So H1 is the largest heading and H6 is the smallest heading. Means when you will use the H1 tag, this will display the largest heading. We will see in the coming output. And after that we use the P tag. P tag is for paragraph. We start with the P tag, my first paragraph, P tag close. This is a double tag, that's why we need to close it. After that we use the body tag. Body tag is opened here, we need to close the body tag with the forward slash, and now we need to close the root element, that is the HTML, with the forward slash. This whole document is complete Always remember, in a double tag we need to close it. HTML close, head close, title close, body close, h1 close, p close. So these are the tags which are closed, and this is the your basic simple program of HTML document. Now let's see the output of this. This is the output. My first heading, which we have used with h1 tag, that's why its font size is a little bigger and it's little bit bold. And then it's my first paragraph. It's displayed in normal font size. You can copy this previous code and run it over your editor, or you can take a screenshot and then type in your own notepad and do the rest of the work. Now let's listen about the web browsers. What web browsers we use? Basically we use Chrome, IE, Firefox, Safari to run our HTML documents. Now the Chrome is the most powerful and the most widely used web browser. And what are the basic uses of browsers are that browsers don't display the HTML tags. They only display the content that is between the tags. Like we use my first heading, my first paragraph. They did not display h1 tag or p tag. So this is the use of web browsers that are used by us. These browsers have the main other uses that the faster the browser, the easier it is to display the contents, and the loading time is also low. Now let us study about some past about the HTML. So HTML was developed around 20th century, and it was the HTML first version. Now we are currently using HTML5 version. After HTML it came HTML 2.0, HTML 3.0, and further going on. Now we are currently using the HTML5 version. What are the benefits of 5 version? Let me tell you that the benefits are like it's currently uses less memory, and it is faster loading time, so you can save a lot of document with a less memory and less loading time. So these are the uses of HTML5 document, and more further versions will come in ahead of future, so let's wait for that. I hope you like my lecture, and keep a follow on these lectures. You will completely need this theory for your theory classes in college or whatever you like, and you will come to know about many other facts with these lessons that I'm going to teach in the further future. So hope you like and join my this page. Thank you everyone for your cooperation, and if you have any doubts you can comment on the comment section, and I will clear all your doubts. Once again, thank you.